I'm out here today trying to put these half tracks back on this tractor. It is a royal pain to do, but I wasn't planning on taking the things off, but when I had to put a new clutch in there, all that stuff had to come off so they could get underneath there and take the tractor apart. So here I am out here, borderline heart attack, trying to put the dead blame things back on, but I gotta have them to plow snow because the tires will spin too much if I don't. So the object of this exercise is to get the tracks laid right out just right so I can take this in here and flip it up over top of the tire. So hopefully it lands somewhere in this area here so it'll hold itself up there. And then I have to put these little bogey wheels on. They're a real pain to get in there. And I'll have to use a couple ratchet straps or come along to pick them up and hold them for me because I don't have any help. And you have to hook this bracket right here. It's got some pins on it. And it has to hook on that bracket right there. And then it's good to go. Once I get that on there, then it's all set. And then I have to take the tracks, this in here, and fold it up over top of that tire and over top of that one and connect them together. Sounds real easy to say that, but trust me, that is the only easy part in this conversation. This is one of the worst things you can do to put attachments on a tractor. Almost as bad as putting that loader on there by yourself. Especially when it falls off its blocks it was holding it up. If I had another tractor or a skid steer, I could pick it right up and I could do actually everything. I could hook these tracks and lift them up. These tracks weigh 175 pounds by themselves, and they're very awkward, and they don't mind smashing or breaking a finger. So they're very dangerous, to say the least, because each piece of track I think weighs like 9 pounds, and they got sharp edges on them. They got magnesium edges, and they don't play around. They will cut you, slice you open bad, and I've been sliced bad by them, so I'm just taking my time here, trying to do as much as I can. We got a couple 2-3 inches of rain coming, I think they say, in the next couple days, so I'm trying to get as much as this done. Hopefully I can get these at least started good, where I can come out in between rains and get the things finished up. And then I got to go over there behind the motorhome and get the snowplow and pull that out and take this bucket off and connect that. That's not easy either, but it's a world easier than this. So I thought I'd let y'all know what I'm doing today. I'm not sitting around, that's for sure. I like to be sitting there watching TV and resting, but I've got to do this because they're calling for the next 10 to 12 days off and on rain. So, and then after that, snow's coming. So I got to get my mess together here and get this job done. I've been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, but today is D-Day. So we're going to hit the beaches here in a few minutes on full automatic. So I'll talk to y'all later. Hope y'all having a better day than me. Bye.